Good morning, everyone. As always, thank you again for joining us. We're fast drawing to a close in 2021 and we're pleased that we're still bringing on new members for the year ahead. Today, I'll be speaking with Bruce Peatman, the Managing Director of Bendi. Hi, Bruce.
Hi, how are you, Marianne?
I'm very well this morning, and yourself?
Yeah, going well. Good weekend and ready for another good week of it.
I'm pleased to hear it. Bruce, I wanted to talk to you about Bendi. Who is Bendi, and can you tell me, are Hubtex Australia and Bendi the same company?
Yes, they are. It's all part of the Hubtex group. Bendi itself is our articulated forklift section. We represent Bendi, who are an American company now. We represent them. Hubtex Australia itself, we've been running for near on 27 years now. Very small company when we started off back in 1995. There was only 4 of us who basically started with it, 3 tradesmen and 1 accomplished salesman in Bill Parry, and we've grown the business from there. Hubtex are a multi-direction side loader, probably not something that's very much in demand for an RWTA member, but who knows? We mainly handle long products with those, heavy products, unusual type of products. So we then moved from that into an automated storage system in 2005. We started to import some Sistraplan systems. They're a terrific automated system, again, specialising in long products. We came on board with Hoppex batteries, quality battery in 2008. And they've been a terrific thing. We've been using those as a customer since 2000, and now as a distributor for them. We've used them exclusively in our equipment, which is majority of our equipment is battery electric. Mm-hmm. We use those. Now,
that actually brings me to the next question. Yeah. There are a lot of forklift companies out there, and everyone has a place. But how's Bendi different? What do you do that's different to the other companies out there?
Yeah, we specialise in narrow aisle equipment. That's what the Hubtex product, long products in a narrow aisle. The Bendi product, our Bendi product is for handling pallets in a narrow aisle. So we've always focused on a core philosophy that is that narrow aisle equipment. One of the big things that differentiates us, I think, is our service focus. We started off very heavily on technical support, service, after sales support, and we've continued that. So I tend to refer to us as a service company who also sells equipment. But that is one of our big things. You can imagine if you narrow down your aisles, nothing else will fit in there. You need to have a machine that's going to be reliable, and if it does break down, it can be repaired. The spare parts are local. The knowledge, which is the big thing, is local. And we basically won't rest until we get a machine up and running.
That's great. That's good to know. And how long did you say you've been associated with the Bendi articulated forklift?
It's 12 years now. Yeah, 2010 we started. Early 2010, and we've continued along that. I think in 2014 it was Translift Bendi who were basically the inventor of the articulated forklift. They were the manufacturing licenses for those were bought out by Landau in the US in 2014, and we've also we've signed agreements with them. And it's been a very good marriage. Fits very well in our business, and we're proud to represent them in Australia.
That's great. And look, what advantages does the articulated forklift, like the Bendi product, provide in cool room or freezer room environments? That because obviously it's a very different environment to just a warehouse.
Yes, it is. Yes, absolutely. Look, our biggest thing, we look at a cool room, freezer room. It's the most expensive real estate in the country. You've got to cool it. You want to fit as much as you can in there, and that's where we come in. Our equipment enables users to operate in aisles as narrow as 1.8 metres. We can still lift up to 13 metres, but that aisle space allows us to sometimes get up to 40% more pallet spaces into the same warehouse area. So
that's extraordinary, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's huge. And in fact, we've got a machine now that we've got equipment in the country to demo. It's a new model for us. It's a 1.5 ton articulated machine. Now it's designed. It can go into the back of a truck trailer or a shipping container, So it can work on the dock, but then it can also go into the cool room and lift up to 6 metres. So yeah, 6.3 metres. So it can load into 6 metre racking. Rear wheel drive, rubber tired, so that we don't have the traction problems that a lot of machines do have in the cool room application. Fully cool room condition. And yeah, we look forward to seeing them out there now. We've actually sold a couple, and yeah, the uptake's been great. The feedback from the customers is terrific. We've got them ready to demonstrate now. If anyone wants to have a look at them.
Oh, that's even better. And
Yes.
Bruce, if you were to tell the cold chain, what would you like them to know about you particularly? The one thing about Bendi that for the cold chain in 2022 and getting out and meeting people, what would you like them to know about you?
Look, we're very customer focused. We've still got the initial customers that we had back in 1995. We're still servicing and selling equipment to those same customers. We don't want to go out and seek new customers while we're losing customers out the back door. So we work very hard to keep our customers, keep them happy, and we do have these long-term relationships. So it's that's what our service focus comes into that. The after sales support. A lot of companies will talk about it, but we're a customer that does like to deal directly with the site, with the customers, and resolve any issues and keep them for a long time.
Bruce, that's a fantastic overview, and of course, this is a snapshot of your company. So look, we welcome Bendi to the RWTA family, and I very much look forward to introducing you to the team in 2022.
Yeah,
thank you for coming along today.
Yeah, I look forward to meeting more of the members and attending some RWTA functions. It'll be great.
Looking forward to it as well. Thanks again.
All right. Thank you, Marianne.
Bye.